Good morning, and I am the Angry Cook. I even have my t-shirt on this time. Today, we have some leftover apples, so I decided to do an apple crisp. We have 3 really big guys, and we have 4 smaller guys, which will be enough. We're going in an 8x8, so that'll be plenty. What do we need for this? We need apples, of course, about 4 cups, give or take, whatever fills us to the top. Who cares? We need 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1 3/4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon divided. Now, my daughter, and I'm not at home right now as you can tell, my daughter has this thing called Cinnamon Plus, which has the real cinnamon, I can't pronounce it, starts with a K, nutmeg, allspice, orange peel, cloves, and ginger, which should be really good in this instead of cinnamon and nutmeg. Although I'm going to give you the recipe for that. 1 cup of light brown sugar. 3/4 cup old-fashioned oats. 3/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup of cold unsalted butter, diced into small cubes. I never worry about salted, unsalted. I don't really think it makes that much of a difference. Some people do. I don't. That's still in the fridge staying cold. And a pinch of kosher salt, right here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our apples. So we're going to half.
No, sir.
Quarter. And of course another damn sticker. And we're going to core just by cutting down this piece. Oh, we didn't grate. We didn't peel them. We gotta peel them first, duh. We'll peel them in a second. I know you can tell I'm not at home. The only distraction I have there is me.
What? Want a donut? Oh,
And this one, then we're gonna peel, and then we're gonna peel the rest of them. And I'm going to save you that. We'll be back in a little bit.
You want some?
Alright, we peeled and quartered our apples. And what I forgot to tell you was I dumped them in lemon juice. 1.5 teaspoons more if you need it. Keep them from browning, which you're doing okay. Now we're going to cut these into finer pieces. Set them down, proper cut, probably quarter, whatever. They're going to be in the oven for about 40-50 minutes, so they'll have plenty of time to cook through. You see I have my assistant with me. They're all in there. You already have that in, buddy. You already have that in. Yeah.
I'm putting it in.
Okay, good job.
Another bowl.
Okay, turn the oven on 350. We're going to spray our bowl.
What are you doing, Papa?
What are you doing, Brayden? Alright, we're going to
Let me help it.
Yes.
that's really,
You have to pump it.
I did pump it.
Like 10 times.
There we go. Use a non-stick or use oil. Even if you use no, it's not going to go down anymore. Even if you use non-stick, I would use olive oil anyway. Or use an oil, non-stick spray, whatever. Alright, we have that ready. We're going to put our apples back in our bowl with the lemon juice. We're going to swish them around a little bit to make sure they don't brown. Some of these, the little apples are browning a little bit more than the big apples were, but it's not going to hurt anything because they're not browning that much. We're not going to be concerned about it.
Papa, I'm gonna do an apple
Yep.
in there.
Yep.
And that'll pay.
We're going to do it in a minute. Yeah.
And eating it.
Granulated sugar.
Papa.
Yeah.
Apple's in there.
We're going to in a minute. It's not time yet. Here. You're trying to do something now. Besides talk to me.
Papa.
It's all right. Don't worry about it. Don't. It's okay. Here. Sprinkle these over the top of the apples. No, sprinkle all over like that. Okay? Do it again. All over the top. There we go. Okay.
No piece.
Hang on.
No piece.
Hang on.
This.
Okay, we're gonna do this. Oh, thank you. Good job.
And doing salt.
I did it.
And doing that one. Doing that one.
No, not yet. Soon.
And doing me open.
Yes, you're going to. Hang on a minute. It's not open yet. I gotta open it.
How could Papa did?
That's all right. We'll fix it in a minute. I hate when these safety seals don't come off. You know what? Hang on. I don't pour it in. All right. Good job. Okay, all over the top. Like we did with sugar. All over the top. Good job.
We need more.
No, we don't need more. We're good.
Take it away.
I'm going to take it away, yeah.
Me.
Stir, stir.
Me.
Yep. Stir, stir.
Apple. I'll do that on myself.
I'm going to help you a little bit here, and then you can do it yourself. Okay. Nice. Oh. Okay. All right. Now we're going to put our apples in
Me too.
our baking dish. Ready?
Me too.
Well, come on, both hands. Both hands. Both hands. Come on. There you go. Ugh. Ugh. All right. As you can see, we're right up to the top, which is nice. Because these will shrink. Nope, we're not putting the lid on.
No.
Well, it's going to go in the oven in a little bit. As you can see, it's almost up to the top. And these will shrink, as you know, apples shrink when they're cooked, okay? How's that? Oh, no!
So make a mess.
We made a mess.
I need to it.
Okay.
I'm putting that
Okay.
in.
Pour it. Good job. Okay, get that out of the way. We're going to do oats. 3/4 cup of oats.
Can we help?
You are going to help, yes. Schway! You got it upside down. As usual.
Papa,
Yeah.
I'm doing
3/4 cup of oats, quick or old fashioned, either one. Doesn't matter.
I'm putting in this bowl.
Exactly. Good job. Uh-oh. You all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like that.
Good. Gonna do flour?
Some flour.
Yep.
In there.
Yep. 3/4 cup of flour, of all-purpose flour.
I'm doing it in there.
Yes. Okay. Good job. All right. Nope, nope, nope. You didn't need to do that. And we're going to put some more of this in. of the cinnamon, or in my case, the mix here. Up against like this. There you go.
I need no more.
We're going to do a little bit of salt. Ready?
Yes.
Put your hand out like this. Pinch of salt. Just pour it in. That's good.
And keep me high.
We'll clean your hand. Don't worry about that. We're not done yet, Junior. Don't worry about your hands. Stir, stir.
Okay.
Yep.
I feel salt.
Whatever you just said, I'll agree with. I keep this. Okay, let me stir a little bit too. We'll clean your hand in just a minute, okay? Combine all these nicely. Oh, damn, forgot the butter. No wonder it wasn't crumbling. Okay, stop, I forgot something. We're going to, yes, we're hiding our salt. Very good. We're going to take a stick of butter, half a cup. Yes, exactly. And we're going to, no, you can't cut. You can put it in the bowl, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just cutting it. Am I make it?
Whatever you just said, sure. I'm going to cube that. I quartered it and then third it and then cut it into maybe 1/4 inch. I'm going to pick these up and put them in. Pick these up and put them in. Take them apart like this. Can you do that? Good job. Just put them in. Don't keep them in your hand too long. They'll melt. And you don't want them melt in your hand. Put it over the bowl. Over the bowl. Over the bowl. That's it. Like this. Crumble them over the bowl. Okay? Rest of them. Good job. Okay, stick of butter, cubed, cold butter. We have to stir all that. You can stir in just a second, okay? Let me just get this all nice and mixed. Then you can stir it. Okay? Because then we're going to put it on top of that. Okay?
Me doing it.
Yes, you can help.
Papa no helping me.
You're helping me big time, aren't you?
I'm gonna put butter.
All right. Stop, Braden. Okay. All right. Take a spoon and put it on top of the apples. Pour it on. Just pour it on. Don't worry about how it is. Just take it, pour it on. Take a spoonful, pour it on. Pour it on. Good job. All over the place. Not in one place, okay? Spoonful and on. See what I said about the advantage of a 3-year-old? All right. Let's pour the rest on. Okay, here, let me do it with your hand, with my hand. Gotta pack it down real nice. Okay, make sure it's all over the apples. All the apples in there. Oh, it's all done. A good boy. And then we're gonna put it in the oven, then we're gonna clean our hands, right?
Putting this.
No, we're not putting the lid on. That's for later, after it comes out of the oven and cools, right? All right, 350 oven, 40 to 50 minutes when the top is all nice and crispy. And we'll be back in 40 or 50 minutes. We'll see you then. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, camera.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, there we go.
Bye.
Ready? All right. We're 40 minutes in. We're going to take a look at the apple crisp. You can see me way up there. I'm not sure. My party assistant is here. Yeah, I know you're done. Be quiet. Okay. You want to back up a little bit? Back up a little bit so I can go open the door. Let's take a look. you can see this.
And an apple.
See the bubbles?
Yeah.
Get her. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but
Sophia.
we're bubbling away. I don't know if you can see that either, but it's looking awesome. So
Not yet.
we are we're it. Apple crisp for dessert tonight. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time on The Angry Cook.